Have you ever wondered how architect building design can be integrated with GIS for smart cities, facility management, or 3D cadastre? Today we'll bridge the gap between BIM, Building Information Model, and GIS, Geographic Information System, by importing an IFC model into ArcGIS Pro. So what is IFC? IFC stands for Industry Foundation Classes. It is an open BIM standard developed by uh, the Building Smart International. It allows BIM models create in software such as Revit, ArchiCAD, Tekla structures to be shared across platforms. Such platform is ArcGIS Pro, which we are going to be using today. Now, one of the prerequisites that is needed for you to work, it must be that the ArcGIS Pro has to be a version 3.0 above. All right, so any of the lower version, it's having an issue. I don't know how. I've not tried it, but that's how my research found out. So I'm not sure. And then the IFC model must have an extension .ifc. All right, so we're going to do that, and to start you have to I'm already launched my ArcGIS Pro, so we're going to create a new document, a new project. Like I said, ArcGIS Pro is a project based software, so we're going to create a project. So I'm going to click on map, and then I will leave the name as project file, or let's name it IFC, just like that, and then we click on OK. The project has been created. So next I'm going to go to the map tab, and then I'm going to go to add data, and I'm going into the folder where I have the IFC model stored. So I'm going to go into CBN quarters, and I'm going to open CIFC. I'm going to open this IFC. I'll open it, and then I'm going to highlight everything. Okay, and I'm going to click on OK. So it will automatically create a BIM file cache automatically. All right, so it has created that already, so everything is checked. So from here, what I want to do next is I'm going to come to View tab, and I'm going to click on Convert, and I'm going to convert this 2D to a local scene. So I'm going to click on to local scene. So I'm going to just right click on either of these and zoom to layer. Now when I zoom to layer, then I use the 3D. Since it's now a 3D, you will see that the BIM model has been imported. So you can see this is the model that was generated on, you can see every detail about it has been imported. So this is how you can, one of the way you can import a BIM IFC model into ArcGIS. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.